Hi and welcome to my unboxing, assembly and test of the Anycubic Linear Plus 3D printer. This video is in 3 parts. First part unboxing, second part assembly, third part electrical. Welcome to the unboxing and assembly of the Anycubic kossel Linear Plus 3D printer. I've started with the unboxing, and first we have the top rail, the cable, hot plate, the base with motherboard and motors, the screen, hot end and arms and self-leveling probe, very nice manual, easy to follow. Some tools, bag of parts and bolts, the extruder motor, a full 1 kilo of clear filament, neutral colour, spool holder, some gloves, power cable, unfortunately with no UK adapter, some cards, a scraper, a ruler, power block, main upright beams and linear rails. And 1 wire cable for routing the stop end cables.